Okay. Have you seen my screen right now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so we go to transport. Okay, first I create some data set. Okay, that data set is already created here. I just copy the code.
Bye now.
Are you trying copying only in a SAS profile or some other profile also?
No, I'm searching for all analytical jobs like MIS.
Okay, okay. So did you get any call for MIS as well?
Yeah, I got two calls.
Okay, so
Uh,
did you went to an interview?
no, no, no. I still not yet confirmed.
Okay,
I got only 3 days back.
okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, so uh, this is create data set, three data set. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this already actually it is present. It'll take time to create a data set. So I just create this data set. Now I'll go one by one.
Okay. Okay.
So I have that set. This is the simple normal data set. Now I am
Okay.
using this table. Go with proc transpose.
Okay.
Okay. So the first one, it take table narrow file one. This is
Okay.
so first normal. How can it this very simple proc transpose data equal to the data set name is narrow file one. This is the data set. This is narrow file data set. Okay, create one or take population. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So when you write out is a new data set name and one I can say and run. It will
Okay.
take only see it will take only the population part. I mean only the numeric part. See population and it's a number name of number variables. It converted to rows to column and column to rows. My first data set is
Okay.
this one. It will come like this, okay? But it will take only this population column. When you
Okay.
type that normal, I mean, if you this is proc transpose, if you write this code, it will take only a number part, numeric. So here in this data set, see, only take this column, population variable. Okay,
Yeah.
it's a numeric variable. So by default, it will take the numeric one.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll go one by one how we can execute step by step. Now we can say we can provide a fixed option, prefix. So what
Okay.
prefix can do? So here I can go with one more program, proc transpose dataset name. I can copy and paste. I'm using here prefix option.
Okay.
So the prefix equal to I can say q. Now if I run this, okay, this is one I can put this one I can put and so the difference as well. Now I can put and 2. I need proc transpose. Now see what prefix can do. If you see this column on column to column tree, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now if I use a prefix, this column on column to column tree, it will become Q1, Q2, Q3. If you see this, say it is in Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see the difference, this is my N1. So this call one, call two, it come by default.
Okay.
you want to provide any prefix, if you use a prefix, this will become what prefix you provide according to that will take Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay.
Okay.
Simply I can put Q in my code. So this become Q1, Q2, it start if you put Q, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Fine, this is the purpose prefix.
Okay. By default, it will gives column one.
Yeah, by default it take call1, call2, call will come. So once
Okay.
if you remove this call1, you can provide prefix, it will take suppose you can put I put SD. Will one as SID1, SID2, SID3. Like this. Mm. Why? Because it's already open. I just no. This is so this is N2. This is come SID1, SID2, SID3, SID4. Fine.
Okay. Okay.
So this is we are using on. So this is how you can use the prefix options. Okay. Now we are using one more option, name. So what I can do if I use name options in see this is all in one line. If I
Yeah.
use name also I can use here. So name I can put actually name is column. If I using this, it's okay. So before prefix we are using name options. That should be in double quote. Okay.
Okay.
Let's copy this. X proc cancels notepad 2 and 2 name. Command dot second. I think this is not working in my system. Okay, fine. So this is actually this you write. You don't put any space when you put name. Okay, you provide underscore. Okay, the special character we have to use. If you put space, then you can just give you a single word. So there is no space in the name column.
Okay.
So and two, but it is not showing actually. Go to column names. Okay, this column date transfer. For tools you can see. Okay, will come. So we can provide a name to this particular column. Fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Fine.
So you go to where you can go to from tools. You can see From view we can see column names. So column names was changed. Okay, by default, what will come? By default, it will come number of name of former variable. If you want to put any name to this variable, we are using name functions. Go to, if you want to see, go to column names, you will see. Okay, so this is the purpose of using name normal. Now we will go with ID. So we are using ID. After that, we'll take the same form, just copy and paste it here. So here I can put, this is my original table, a narrow one. Okay, I put ID equal to page. So what it can do after using ID statement, ID. If I put ID, let's click this. So this is N2. Uh, I can put this is N3. Okay. So if you put ID, you will see the result. So it will take. Okay, I remove the prefix now here. So because if you write ID, this it will take as a header. See, dog, cat, bird will come. So instead of this column, we can replace. How can do I just remove the prefix part from here? I think it should be clear. You put ID, and now see, it will come dog, bird, fish, cat. So these are become a variable. If you put ID, okay, fine.
Uh, Deepa, I have doubt. So
Yes,
where
sir.
these names come from? Like
Huh?
pet names?
Like this name.
Yeah.
Yeah, pet name. See, in the table, we have pet, this pet is
Okay.
I using this page as a variable ID. This page I think ID equal to page. So these all become a column now. So this all go to column. This become a variable. This replace the which one?
Okay.
Replace
Column
this
header.
part, a column header. So this replace the
Yes.
prefix part. Okay, a call one,
Okay.
call two, call three. If you put ID, that's that column become a variable. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the work of ID actually. What you can, if you put ID, this will become a variable. Okay,
Okay.
so if you want to make ID now, here I can use what a variable I want, where I have the population, then a population and page owner. Fine, I can put here page owner, the remaining two columns, page owner. Done this. See, you find that this table we have a page owner and population. Now, if you see by default it takes population number. You put where statement whatever variable you want, you just take it here. Okay. So if you see that this one, you can see this dog, bird, this become ID. Okay. And this population, you take the numbers or how many numbers are available, and the pet owner, whose pet owner is, this become a variable. It's become observation now. Fine.
Okay.
If you put,
So by default, only the numeric values will come
yeah,
as as a row.
rows, and it will take that variable name.
Okay. So if you
Now,
want the
yeah,
characters to change, then we have to put variables.
yeah, variables, and that we put that variable that can where what can it can convert into say observations. Fine. And if you put
Okay.
ID, this ID with that variable become a header or column header, or you can say fine.
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So now we'll go it by statement last. So I go to the second table. This cost table is completed. Second table. This is the second table you have seen. Okay. Fine. Okay.
Okay.
This is a narrow table. So I can use by statement here. So suppose proc transpose data equal I can put here arrow. I can use file to count and for variance equal I can put population and data one. So here run this you can say n4. So it will take these two variable and we get a honor name. Okay. Now I want to sort the value by paid owners. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So I go to sort the value by when you use by statement you always sort the value, isn't it?
Yeah.
Proc
Yeah.
sort data equal to and take the file name arrow file 2. Uh, and so input this is out on 5 by paid owner. So sorted the value. Now I'm using by statement in
Yeah.
proc transpose. Proc transpose data I'm using n5 out equal to n6. So I can use here variable I can put simply I can put the first with by paid owner. So data n6. So you can get a total like this. Okay. By paid owner, it will come paid owner first. So it will give you the name wise how many you can say how many pages are there. Fine. For Mr. Black, okay, to this population. Fine. So by
Yes.
page owner take as a variable. By page owner we can summarize the data or you can say okay. Fine.
Yeah. Fine.
Now I can wait Now I can see this here. I want to see the this part. What is called ID name. So what I can do, ID means I can see how many dogs are available, cat available with pet owners. What is doing again? ID statement. Fine. So I can put ID equal to pet. Pet. So using this. Now if you see and 6, see here it come. So Mr. Black has 2 dogs, 1 cat, 1 cat. Mr. White has 1 dog, 3 cat, and 7 fish. So like this you can see. Okay. So I will take this the column name. Fine.
Yeah. Deepan, can you show me the original data set?
This one. I'm using this one. This is the data set.
Yeah, yeah. Please.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we can see we can summarize by name wise the data. Okay. So we
Deepan, I have a doubt.
it doesn't.
Here, what is why we are using a transpose here?
I can transpose the value. Suppose I want to see the total to make into uh this way. I mean, how many? See here, each names come twice. Isn't it? Mr. Black, Mr. Black, Mr. Brown, Mr. Brown, Mr. Green, Mr. White, Mr.
Yeah,
White,
yeah.
Mr. White. Okay, so I am to see the name wise. You can summarize the data as well. You can see. So and
Okay.
that okay, we can see this way
Okay.
by
Is there any other way to do this?
I can do it by through proc means. We can do it.
Yeah, yeah. Proc means we can do, right?
Yes.
No, but
So yeah, tell me.
in proc means
You can in proc means you can put classified
we
variable
can
this one.
yeah, we
Classified.
can see only the summary, right?
You can see the summary and you can just add where is them in this population. It will
Okay.
come now around.
Okay.
So, but here's again the difference is that you can see the dog cat come in where as a columns.
Yes.
So name and column by we can summarize data by with the pet and pet owner. Okay,
Okay.
this is clear now.
Yeah, yeah, clear.
Mhm. Now suppose I want to drop this column first. Okay, I want to drop this column. Fine.
Yeah.
I don't want this column like no. See, this table is not looking good, isn't it? I just want the name and this total. So population I want to drop. Fine.
Yeah.
So what I can do, just a moment, you can see. Hmm, name the column, number of font variable, name of font variable. Okay, this is from the open here, right? You can create separate data set and just use drop and keep statement. Okay, fine. Hello.
Fine, Deepak.
Okay, so this is by an ID statement we finish.
Okay.
Then by create we can finish. You can go to last one. But then last data set is this. Okay, I want to make this partner come here and name will a partner come as a column and this will come as a rows. Okay, this variable. Fine.
Okay.
This one. If I do normal transpose for this variable, proc transpose you can put data that I'm using while white file 3 run. So I can create one more data set here count equal to n7 file 3. So n7 is created. You can see it's come like this. Dog, okay, cat, dog, fish, bird. Fine. So but
Yeah.
this is come what? Call 1, call 2, call 3, call 4. Fine.
Yeah.
Now I want to put your name. So what I can do, what I can do, I can put here ID statement. ID
Okay.
equal to, I can put pet owner. Okay. So pet owner name come, it become a column variable. Now you can see this is ends and you can see. Okay,
Okay.
Mr. Brown, Mrs. Brown, Mr. Green, Mr. White. So this way also we can do it. Fine. This is the how this is all about talk transpose. How we are using by statement with various statement this. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Deepak.
So this is clear about proc transpose.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So this is a proc transpose and we can go it next class proc tabulate. After proc tabulate, there is something remaining the gas part now says gas will implement. Then next is come graph. These are coming at once.
Okay.
So I think when Sylvia Bhavana?
I think she went to her hometown
Okay, where?
in Kerala.
Okay, so when Sylvia?
I think she'll be back on Tuesday.
Okay, okay. In that we'll see how much it covered.
Yeah.
Tuesday. Today is Sunday, isn't it? So tomorrow and date of tomorrow will be.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That will finish by this week if possible. I
Okay.
think
Okay.
I think it only will take one more 10 days like.
Okay. How many days it requires to complete the macro?
Metro, let's see. I can't give you no exactly
Okay.
figure how much will take because If you won't take little time, no, to understand each and every macros. Two, three
Yeah.
classes at least, three classes at least, so 6 or 6.
Okay. So whatever we have learned till now, we have to apply that in macros, right?
Yes, yes. Macros, you can apply all the things here. So macros class will take last
Okay.
after steps for.
Okay.
So macros is like you can do anything, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Just a moment. Hello.
Yes, Shiva.
Yeah, yeah. Just a moment. Just okay. I'll copy the data from. I take this data. Let me paste it here. So see, if you do simple, there is no table has been specified.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, actually, what is the purpose of using tabulate
It's also to creating a complex table.
table?
Yeah, yeah. Table you can say report to prepare. Same way, what you can do in proc report. See,
Okay.
without see here no table still has been specified. They are asking in the interviews.
Okay.
Okay. proc tabulate admit class act level. I put now with if you, without creating what the use of table statement in proc tabulate. So table mainly to use it is used to create a table in proc tabulate. A table
Okay.
I can take the same simple act level. Okay, class table act level. So let's create a simple table. You just click this. This a table is created, and by default it will give you the what is the number of observation available in is act level. Okay, group by C,
Okay.
high the number of observation n. So when you write single, it will give you only the number of observation by default.
Okay.
Fine. Now, so I can use here one more X. You can take it one more proc tabulate data equal. I can put here at me. I can put class act level. And class always you can put what the categorical value isn't fine. Categorical
Yeah.
value like class act level is a categorical value. Sex is also a categorical value. Then I can put here table act level sex run. Again, you can see it'll give you the in two part. First it'll take the act level, then again it'll give you a last is sex. Fine.
Okay.
So this is for number of observation for give separately for act level 777 and for sex will give you total number of observation for female is 11 and for male is 10. Fine.
Yeah. Fine.
So here also you can use format.
Oh.
What format you want? Let's say I can try this format 6 dot. Just want to see what. So it will come like this. You can put format 6 dot. Same HTML you can see the result in this way. Okay.
Okay.
So without releasing this, without using format statement, what is now? I'm not using this statement from it. Okay, it will reduce the size actually, column size. When using format, it will take the length. So if you use format here, it will take the 6 dot means it will take the length of 6 dot for each column. You see the space is reduced within.
Yeah.
Fine, and it's looking good also, isn't it?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. So this is how you are using proc tabulate. So
So here the format is
this is I simple give you format and this length, 6 dot length.
okay to control the table.
Yeah, space you can see.
Okay.
Okay, now I am using comma here. There is one dimensional table I can create. If I use see, okay, I'll take you one more from proc tablet. I can use data. So let me format 6 dot. I can put plus X level sex table. I can put at level, comma, sex run. So you can see the result this way.
Okay.
So it will. This is a one-dimensional table. You can say one-dimensional table. You can. Okay. If you want to result, you can put here comma. Comma is separated by comma. Okay, it will make you one-dimensional table. Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Now, if I want to create a cross tabulation, okay,
Okay.
or even a nesting table, or you can say nesting, or you can say cross tabulation. We are using air strip. You can put this. I can. I can do here. I can put with two sides. We can put the air strip. So we can create the result in this way. The come first egg level is nesting. Nesting means
Okay.
first it will take a higher level. First egg level takes a higher level. Okay.
Okay.
Inside this will come again. Whatever the egg level is present,
Okay.
high, low, and mode is divided this way. Again, inside this again is divided by sex, two parts, male and female. Okay.
Okay.
Sex, male and female. This again for low sex, male and female. So it's like a nesting. Okay. This
Okay.
how to create nesting by create a heuristic with within two class variable you can put the nested. Okay. I
Okay.
mean, so this nesting. So this clear now. Position is look good. I think this look little bit good, isn't more distinct.
Ah, yes, yes. So Deepan, my question is,
Tell me.
uh, so this order is based on the order which we have given in the class statement.
Yeah, class statement. Yes. First will take egg level, then sex. So first
Uh,
it will divide the egg level into three parts.
okay.
Okay, high, low, and mode. After that, again
Okay.
inside this, again sex will divide it. Again within
Oh,
this, within the egg level. Again sex is divided. Again sex is a two part. Okay,
okay. Okay.
fine. So
Yeah, fine.
this create, I guess used to create more complex table.
Okay. Okay.
Now I want to see the what is all. I mean, sum of this all. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Uh,
right. Tell
can
me.
we find a grand total for this?
Yeah, we can do it. Now I'm going to do this proc tabulate. That means I'm using coordinate 6 dot second put at level sex. We can put here. Now